My name's Steve Long. I graduated from Texas A&M University with a maritime business administration degree. Ended up getting a job at Mainfreight Houston. I walked in the door. They ushered me straight from the door into the warehouse and sat me on the forklift and said, "This is your home, this is your office." At first it was fun because I was just like, oh cool, it's a really expensive and propane-powered go-kart. And then my supervisor, Freddie Gonzalez, looked at me and said, "Hey, by the way, pay attention to that piece of freight. It's worth $100,000. And then I was out of my comfort zone. It definitely puts some perspective on what it is that you're doing. I made the commute from Galveston up to Houston for a little over a year, and then my girlfriend wanted to go and get a coastal marine ecology master's at Florida Atlantic University. I love my girlfriend and I really wanted to follow her. I approached my boss shaking, and he immediately turned on the wheels and started figuring out how he was going to get it to work, and then was fortunate enough to be able to transfer out to the Miami branch. He really helped me out. It was pretty amazing. I like the way that I started out at a company that is growing as opposed to set in their ways. And with the amount of talent that we have with our organization, it's only a matter of time. We're going to be the next FedEx, UPS. There is no ceiling at Mainfreight. Well, I mean, you can be at the top, but there is no limit to how far we can go.